What's going on, guys? So back in the back bay again, but this time going for bluefish today. Well, this evening. I'm gonna be throwing top water popper right now. There's a ton of bunker out here, and blues are on them. Try to get a few before it gets too dark. Oh, that was a good blow up.
One of them's gonna break off.
Using my Inshore rod today. We don't need no surf rod out here. Ooh, they're over there. Yeah, they should. Come on, blues. They're blowing up the bunker, just not hitting. Alright, I should be clear of you. Oh, I had one chasing it. Oh, he's chasing. Oh, come on, hit it, hit it. We're getting him all the way in. He's still chasing it. Ah, we almost got one. Alright, slower retrieve seems to be a little bit better. Oh, I think one was chasing it right here. Is that guy over there? Alright, let me switch. Not hitting your line. I'm going to switch to an SP minnow because Les just hooked up. Try that.
Right.
Alright, so I just put on chicken scratch SP minnow. I'm going to try using this right now. Nice blue. Yeah, less is blue right here. Wow, man, SP cast, nice. Figures I put the SP on and all the bunker is gone now. It's getting a little too dark for filming, so I got a light on now. So if we do hook up, we should be good. Should be able to see it. So let's try to keep catching these blues because they're out here. Alright, so we just moved spots because the other harbor we were in, fight just died down once the sun went down. Couldn't get any blues. I had one follower, that was it. But Les did get two nice blues over there. There we go. Oh, he's jumping. I gotta turn my light on. There we go. Fish on. We got, I think, a blue. I think it's... Nah, I think it's a blue because he was jumping out. Could be cocktail. Could be a cocktail blue. Ooh, jumper.
Oh, it looks like a little cocktail.
Yeah, it's a cocktail.
Look how he's biting it sideways.
Yeah, he's got it sideways.
Do what he does best.
There we go. Little schoolie blue. No, don't fall in the road. Alright, there he goes. Destroyed my swim bait. So much for this. Ooh, there we go. Got a fish on. Is it a bass or a blue? What is it? Ooh, a nice little schoolie. Ooh, watch. Ooh, there we go. Choked it. Nice little schoolie. Better than catching a cocktail blue. Nice. That one hit on the Kietech. Let's see if we can get another bass over here.